Pursue your passions. When you're doing something you're passionate about, it's easier to feel fulfilled and happy. It could be anything from playing an instrument, to writing, to gardening, to cooking. Think about what makes you happy and try to incorporate it into your daily routine. Learn something new. Learning something new can help you stay engaged and interested in life. You could take a course in a subject you've always been interested in, read books on topics you've always wanted to learn about, or even learn a new language. Travel. Traveling can expose you to new cultures, ideas, and perspectives, and can be a great way to take a break from your routine. You don't have to travel to far-off places to gain these benefits. Even a weekend trip to a nearby city can be refreshing. Give back to the community. Volunteering, donating, or contributing in some way to a cause you care about can help you feel like you're making a positive impact in the world. You could volunteer at a local charity, donate to a cause you support, or even just help out a neighbor in need. Connect with others. Meaningful relationships are an important part of a fulfilling life. You could join a club or group centered around a hobby or interest, attend events or gatherings with like-minded people, or simply make time to catch up with friends and family. Face your fears. It's natural to feel scared or hesitant when faced with new or unfamiliar situations, but challenging yourself to step outside your comfort zone can lead to personal growth and a sense of accomplishment. This could be anything from speaking in public to trying a new sport. Take care of your health. Taking care of your physical and mental health can help you feel better both physically and emotionally. This includes eating well, getting regular exercise, getting enough sleep, and seeking support when needed. Set and achieve goals. Setting goals can give you a sense of direction and purpose, and working towards achieving them can help you feel a sense of accomplishment. It's important to make sure your goals are realistic and meaningful to you personally. Practice gratitude. Focusing on what you have rather than what you lack can help you feel more content and satisfied with your life. You could start a gratitude journal, take time to reflect on what you're thankful for each day, or simply express gratitude to those around you. Be kind to yourself. Practicing self-compassion means treating yourself with kindness and understanding when facing challenges or setbacks. It's important to remember that everyone makes mistakes and experiences failures, and to be gentle with yourself when things don't go as planned.